In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize images on your videos in Filmora. So if you want to add an image, for instance, I can add an image to the second timeline here, but the problem is the image is too big and you can see it here. So the best thing to do is to go ahead and resize it. So it is pretty much simple to resize your image in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. So the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your image here. So if you click on it here, you'll see we have an option to resize your image from both ends, and you can also move it around and just resize it to the size that you want. Then you can go ahead and adjust the location where your image will be. So once you're done, that is it. Your image will have been resized and it will stick there. You can also go ahead and increase or reduce the length on your video by adjusting it on the timeline. So that's how you can change or resize your image in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.